How to upload and sell tickets on Seatgeek. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can use Seatgeek.com in order to upload and sell your own tickets. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Don't forget you're gonna be able to find sign-in and website links here in the description of this tutorial. So by now I just have to log in into my account. Because I don't have an account yet, I must sign up here. This is gonna ask me for my email address. My full name, password, and just click on sign up. Now here I have my account. This recognizes my country. You can change your location if you want. But by now you have to go into the upper right corner and you're gonna find the word sell. So I'm going here. And you have different options. You can sell some MLB tickets, NFL, NCAA tickets, or some other e-tickets, okay? So in any of these cases, you must upload a ticket, set a price, and get paid. Just remember, I'm gonna make the example with this, that they just allowed the original PDF. So probably the one you received when you bought those tickets, okay? They can also accept some screenshots of the mobile-only tickets, but not scanned or photographed tickets. Once you have your original PDF or screenshot mobile ticket, you must click here, find your tickets into your laptop, and this is going to upload and continue the process once the platform has recognized that these are original tickets. I'm just gonna try to see if I can continue with this or not. Now I have just uploaded a random PDF, and once your tickets finish processing, so I'm not gonna be able to continue with the tutorial, you will be able to sell them on the Seatgeek marketplace. So there you must propose a price and just wait until some other person goes here into the same webpage, seatgeek.com, and probably is interested into, I don't know, go into some of these tickets and find what people is selling right now. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can upload and sell tickets on Seatgeek. Thanks for watching.